Stay where you are! Stay where you are!
Oh. Stay where you are? I said stay where you are.
No, nobody move! Just stay where you are!
Just stay where you are, all right?
Okay.
Don't move! Stay where you are!
Maybe I should get home?
No. You stay where you are.
You best stay where you are, pal. I'm the law out here.
Stay where you are and don't move.
Stay where you are, Driven.
He's got a gun.
I know.
Stay where you are.
What are you doing?
I sure think it's obvious, dear.
You there. Stay where you are.
Who, us?
I am in control now. Project Alice, Ada Wong. Stay where you are.
Don't. Stay where you are. We'll talk like this.
I'm freaking out a little bit. Just tell me what to do. Just what do I do? What do I do?
Stay where you are. I'll find you.
Some hot-looking biker chick. Want me to tail her?
Stay where you are. I'll keep in touch.
Stay where you are! Joe, you don't want to blow that thing and kill all these innocent people?
I don't care about them.
Guys, listen, stay where you are. The cops are here.
Hold it right there!